Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. Today we are going to learn about adjectives and its types. What do you mean by an adjective? What is an adjective? Adjective is a modifier of a noun or a pronoun. For example, if I'll say that he is a marvelous storyteller, we all know that he is a storyteller, but what I have added over here? Adjective, that is marvelous. If I'll say that he is a kind-hearted man, I know that he is a man, but he is a kind-hearted man. That is an adjective. What is an adjective? That if I'm adding it before a noun or a pronoun to give extra information about a noun or a pronoun, that is an adjective. In this tutorial, you will going to learn about how to use, how many types of adjectives do we have, where to use it. I just hope that you will like my video. Definition of an adjective: the words that are used to add something to the meaning of noun or a pronoun are called adjectives, and adjectives are the closest friend of nouns and pronouns. It talks about all the qualities and details of nouns and pronouns. For example, clever boy. How's the boy? Boy is clever. Beautiful painting, big house, tall girl, kind-hearted man. So all these adjectives, clever, beautiful, big, tall, kind-hearted, they are telling us something about nouns. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are classified into 7 parts in this video. Adjective of quality. Quality means which tell us quality of a noun or a pronoun. Interrogative adjective. Question mark means WH questions. Demonstrative adjective: this, that, these, those. This book, that book, these books, those books. Adjective of quantity. Quantity means if we have something, that how much quantity do we have of that thing, like each, many, few, little. Distributive adjective. Then adjective of number. If we have anything, then again, like if I have 1 pencil, I have 2 pencils with me, or 3 pencils, like this. Possessive: mine, me, his, hers. These are the kinds of adjectives. First is quality. Adjective of quality. The words that describe the quality of something are called adjective of quality. For example, splendid, amazing, magnificent, enormous give us information about the quality of a noun, and they are called adjective of quality. For example, Delhi is a big city. My father is a kind-hearted man. Rose is a beautiful flower. So these are showing quality of a city or a man or a flower. So this is adjective of quality, which shows quality of something or quality of a noun or a pronoun. Adjective of quantity. Quantity means the words that indicates quantity of something are called adjective of quantity. For example, few, much, a lot, many, some, little, and they are called adjective of quantity. Like these measuring words modify the noun and are also called quantifiers. Like we can't, means you can say that with uncountable nouns we have to use quantifiers. Few, much, a little. Like I just say that I don't have enough water with me, or I have a little water in my water bottle. I can't say I have one water or 2 water. That I can't count. So with uncountables we have to use quantifiers, and those are called quantity or adjective of quantity. Next we have adjective of number. Number means that you can count, and those are countable nouns. For example, the words that indicate the number of persons or things are called adjective of number. Like I had given you example, I have one pencil, I have two pencils with me, that I can count that whether I have one or two. I can count it easily. For example, there are 20 bananas in the bunch. I stood first in the class. So these are adjective of number that you can count. Next is demonstrative adjectives. Those words which point out the noun are called demonstrative adjectives. The words used to point out some person or thing, like these books are yours, this is my house, that is yours, those people live near my house. So which highlighted this any specific thing, that are called demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative means this, that, these, those, but what you have to say is like this house. So this is coming before a noun or a pronoun, that is demonstrative adjectives. This you need to see. Next we have here interrogative adjective. Interrogative means question mark. The words like whose, who, which are used to questions related to nouns or pronouns are called interrogative adjectives. Now here there's a difference between interrogative adjectives and pronouns, right? So don't get confused over there, like whose book is this? Whose book? After whose, after interrogative, you have the next word, that is noun. So that is interrogative adjective. If interrogative pronoun, like what is your name? So after what, this is, that is pronoun. So that is interrogative pronoun. Which is your house? Again, which house is this? Then it will be interrogative adjective. And if it is which is this house, it will become interrogative pronouns. So here you have to see the difference between interrogative adjectives or interrogative pronouns. Distributive adjectives. The words refer to each one of a number are called distributive. If we are specifying each and every person sitting in the room, that is distributive adjectives. For example, each student got an assignment, means each student. Neither boys is likely to get marks. Neither, either, both, any. These are distributive adjectives. Possessive adjective. The word possessive means that I'm very possessive towards my things. I take care of my belongings. So like yours, if you're possessive towards your things, so like this is my bag and that is yours, which shows that the thing is belonging to someone or belonging to me or belonging to my friend. That is possessive. So here possessive adjective means the words that show possession or belonging to something or someone are called the possessive adjectives. For example, this is my bag. I do not know your house. I do not know your house. Or this is his purse, or that is her bag. Like this, my, yours, his, mine, theirs. These are possessive words, and possessive adjectives means if these possession or these possessive words are coming before a noun or a pronoun, it becomes possessive adjectives. What you're supposed to do is, just give me a minute. Fine. So here we'll solve it together. Underline the adjectives. You need to underline the adjectives and find out its type, and you have to write in front whether it is DA. DA means demonstrative adjective, IA is interrogative adjective, PA is possessive adjective. We have to identify first of all adjective, and then we have to find out what are these. Like, please pass on this book. First of all, I just come to know about book, right? That book is a noun, and underline of adjective this. So what is this? This book. Before a noun, adjective is coming, so that is D DA, demonstrative adjective. Next we have which food. Now you will not get confused. Okay, fine. If which food is there and question mark is there, I have to write interrogative. No. First of all, we have to underline the noun or a pronoun, like which food is a noun over here, and which, then we come to know about if which food, interrogative adjective. Now, my father is a wonderful storyteller. My father. Father is a noun and my is a possession. So it's possessive adjectives. Very good. Those chocolates given to me by my aunt. So here chocolates are also coming. If I'll see, and aunt. So we can consider it both. Those, demonstrative, and my aunt, that is possessive. We can consider it both. Which movies have you seen during this holiday? Which, the stress is coming over here. Which movies? Interrogative adjective. I met your mom in the market. I met your mom. Your and mom. Again, this is demonstrative. No, this is possessive adjective. Your mom. So you can score it yourself. If you have any doubt, any confusion, comment box is there. You can give your suggestions, you can give your views over there, and just score it yourself. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for watching my video. For more video, just do not forget to press the bell icon. My next video will be on degrees of comparison, that is part of an adjective. So we'll continue with that. Thank you and have a nice day.